What is teenage pregnancy? Teenage pregnancy is pregnancy in females under the age of 20. Does this affect the global factors or the statistical count in the world?
Each year, 1.2 million women in the U.S. choose to end their pregnancy through early termination.
Did you know that 2 in 5 young women will become pregnant before age 20?
About 3% of all pregnant women will give birth to twins. This rate is an increase of nearly 60% since the early 1980s. However, 17% of pregnant women over 45 will give birth to twins.
4 in 10 teenage girls who had sex at 13 or 14 report that sex was unwanted or involuntary.
15% of teen pregnancies end in miscarriage.
30% of teenage pregnancy end in abortion.
About 77% of teenage pregnancy are unplanned.
89 of teenagers' parents are unmarried.
Nearly 1,700 teen age 15 to 17 give birth every week.
In 2010, teen pregnancy and childbirth accounted for at least $9.4 billion in costs to U.S. taxpayers for increased healthcare and foster care, increased incarceration rates among children of teen parents, and lost tax revenue because of lower educational attainment and income among teen mothers.
In 2014, a total of 249,078 babies were born to women aged 15 to 19 years, for a birth rate of 24.2 per 1,000 women in this age group.
In 2014, national non-Hispanic Black and Hispanic teen birth rates were still more than 2 times higher than the rate for non-Hispanic white teens, and American Indian Alaskan Native teen birth rates remained more than 1.5 times higher than non-Hispanic white teen birth rate.
86,000 teens aged 15 to 17 gave birth in 2012.
Approximately 10% of pregnancies will end in miscarriage. Many miscarriages often occur before a woman even though she is pregnant.
Did you know, by age 30, only 1.5% of women who had pregnancies as a teenager have a college degree?
Each year in the United States, there are approximately 6 million pregnancies. This means that anytime, about 4% of women in the U.S. are pregnant.
Did you know early childbearing is also more common in Caraga 38% and Cagayan Valley 37% than other regions?
This is another historic low for U.S. teens and drop of 9% from 2013. Birth rates fell 11% of women aged 15-17 years old and 7% for women aged 18-19 years.
In 2013, there were 26.5 births for every 1,000 girls ages 15 to 19.
Initiation of sexual activity before age 18 is more common with less education and those in poorer households.
Did you know that the highest twinning rate in the world at around 4.5%? Some experts attribute this number to the large consumption of yams in Nigeria. Only 25% of couples actively trying to conceive will experience pregnancy within the woman's first cycle. However, 90% of couples will achieve pregnancy within the first 12 months of actively trying. Only 50% of teen mothers aged 15 to 19 earn a high school diploma.
Pregnancy and birth are significant contributors to high school dropout rates among girls. Only about 15% of teen mothers receive a high school diploma by 22 years of age, whereas approximately 90% of women who do not give birth during adolescence graduate from high school.
The Philippine Statistical Authority revealed that every hour, 24 babies are delivered by teenage mothers in year 2014.
In 2012, the Supreme Court of the Philippines ruled that it was constitutional to implement the reproductive health law, meaning that low-income earners had a right to family planning services and free contraceptions.
One-third of girls aged 15 to 19 and one-half of girls under 15 receive no prenatal care at all during their first trimesters. The lack of medical attention can lead to problems later on. If they go forward with the pregnancy could be complicated with an increased risk for ordering baby. If they choose to abort the earlier the procedure is performed, the safer it will be.
The unforeseen development definitely throws young lives into turmoil, at least for a time, forcing the girl to make perhaps the most agonizing decision of her life. Does she carry the baby to term, as 50% of pregnant teenagers elect to do, or does she terminate it?
Imaginary, we're